In Tableau 2020.2, Tableau have updated the device-specific designer devices, if that makes sense, in Tableau Desktop, okay? So basically, when you're designing for mobile on Tableau Desktop, you have this drop-down list of devices that you can pick from. Essentially, that list has been updated. So let me show you how that works. I'm going to open up Superstore Sales, the sample workbook that comes with the installation of Tableau. You can click that and just follow along, okay? And you've got this device-specific area here. You can actually see, if I click on phone, I can actually get a specific device preview, okay? So what I can do is I can basically, if I just go to one of these and I hit device preview, you'll see that I have phones and I have different devices. And essentially what they've done is they've actually updated this list. So we actually have some modern screen sizes here that's specific to modern phones, if that makes sense. So this has been updated and it now makes it much, much easier to sort of model what's going on. Before we had some slightly older devices and you used to have to sort of reference what these sizes were. Same with tablets as well. If I go over to this tablet icon, you can see here that I can see all the iPad Pros, some of the more recent models, and also some of the older ones. It turns out that the new sizes actually fit certain proportions, so it generally works the same way. So it's not as critical in terms of paying attention to the pixel widths and heights. But ultimately, this list has been updated, and it's a welcome update just to keep our sort of mobile device designs appropriate. Check out my other videos on this topic. I actually sometimes disable mobile device designs which are automatic because it can get in the way of a view when they are viewed on a mobile phone, and that isn't the intended purpose, if that makes sense. So you can just save users a little bit of UX hell and make it easier to understand. Okay, if you found this video useful, hit the like button, hit subscribe. Otherwise, I'll catch you in the next video.